Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Shiba Inu token. In my last video, I was showing you that the price line of Shiba Inu has broken down a symmetrical triangle, and at that time it was retesting the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. Right now you can see that after this retest of the previous support of the triangle as a resistance, it is failed in moving up, and after this rejection it is moving down. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to move more down, or is there any possibility for the reversal move from here? But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this 1 hourly time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line was moving in this symmetrical triangle since after 7th of Feb, and here the price line broke down this triangle yesterday, and after breaking down this triangle it moved up, retested the previous support of the triangle as a resistance, and moved more down. Now our target to the downside after this breakdown can be, if I place it here at the breakdown point, is approximately 0.000025 or 26. And for example, I was expecting that if the price line breaks out this resistance, but that is not happening, then our next target could be to the upside, approximately 0.000423. Now we are moving more down, and it is possible that we may test the previous support of 0.000025. But right now we are, if we watch on the short term, on this hourly time frame, then here we have another support, a short-term support here at 0.000296, and we can observe here it was working as a resistance, here it worked as a support. Therefore right now it can again work as a support. But if we will have another closing on the hourly time frame below this support, then there will be a very high probability that we will test a very strong support of 0.000025. Let me show you on the daily time frame, and here we can see that this is 0.000025 support, and previously it was working as a support here, and here, and here as well. Right now, after this drop, it can again work as a support, and you can see that this support is above the resistance of this very big channel, down channel. And if the price line moves more down and breaks down the 2.5, then it can also test the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and from there we can expect a reversal move. However, so far we are not close below this support of 0.000296 on the hourly time frame, and we are in fact breaking down but did not completely break down so far. Now if we take a look at this daily time frame, then as in my previous video I was telling you that once even though the price line has broken out this resistance of a very long-term channel, but there will be a very strong and key resistance at $0.0033, and you can see we had several candlesticks accumulated below this support, below this resistance, and finally we are rejected, and after this rejection we are moving down. Therefore I was telling you that the best buying will be once we will be able to break out this resistance, because previously this $0.000033 was working as a very strong resistance. When we had this powerful rally, we got rejected, we had some accumulation, then we broke it out, and while moving to the downside after this drop, you can see here it has been breaking as a support once again, and here as well, and here it worked as a resistance. Then we again moved down to this very strong and key support at $0.000020, and after some accumulation we broke out the resistance. So right now again these hours are really very important, because we are breaking down this support, even though it is a short-term support on the hourly time frame, but we did not break it down so far. Therefore we need to keep an eye on this support. If it will be broken down, then we can test the next support of 2.5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.